Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create double exposure effect in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut PC, and first thing first, we need to add white background to our project. You can go to the stock material and search for white background. Okay, I'm going to add it to my timeline or my track, and we're going to add our video. I'm going to add my video and I'm going to cut it to make the process faster. Alright, and after that we're going to remove the background of this video. We can go to the remove background and select auto removal. Now the background has been removed and we have to go to the adjustment right here, and I'm going to make it black. Okay, and we have to select all these clips, right click on it and create compound clip. Okay, and add the background to your video, and then we're going to blend all this video. Go to the video and go to the blend and select brighten. Okay, and after that you can add your video to the timeline. You can add it again, and then we're going to put mask. Go to the mask option and select the horizontal mask, and here you will be able to create double exposure like this. Okay, and now it's done guys. And you can also remove the background of your video if you need. Just click on the video and then go to the remove background, select auto removal, and the result will look like this. And this is the final result guys. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create double exposure effect using CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.